Redwire just announced the opening of a new 15,000 square foot facility in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The Firestone Rapid Capabilities Facility will accelerate the development of advanced space-based defense systems and support a range of capabilities, including strategic systems assembly, spacecraft subsystems, missile defense applications, and advanced testing and analysis for national security programs. The facility is part of Redwire's $45 million five-year contract with the Air Force Research Laboratory's Space Vehicles Directorate to design, develop, and test prototype hardware and software for mission-critical technologies. Redwire CEO Peter Canedo said the new facility will accelerate space defense modernization and strengthen U.S. security. New Mexico officials also highlighted the facility's role in boosting the state's aerospace sector and creating high-wage jobs. The new facility will enhance its ability to serve key government and commercial customers, including the Air Force Research Laboratory, the U.S. Space Force's Space Rapid Capabilities Office, Sandia National Laboratories, and Los Alamos National Laboratory. Elsewhere in the atmosphere, XTI Aerospace has announced a proposed public offering of shares of its common stock and warrants, with the intention of using the net proceeds for working capital and general corporate purposes, including the development of its Trifan 600 airplane. The company may also use a portion of the proceeds to invest in or acquire businesses or technologies. ThinkEquity is acting as the sole placement agent for the offering, which will be made pursuant to a shelf registration statement filed with the SEC. A preliminary prospectus supplement and accompanying base prospectus have been filed with the SEC, and copies can be obtained from ThinkEquity's offices. The offering is subject to market conditions, and as of now, there is no assurance as to whether or when it may be completed. Then, on September 16th, Flux Power will report its fourth quarter and fiscal year 2025 financial results after market close. CEO Krishna Vanka, CFO Kevin Royal, and CRO Kelly Frey will host a conference call at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time to discuss the financial results, followed by a Q&A session. Wow, September's already zipping along. Can you believe it? September already going by and marking Faraday Future, successfully completing NASDAQ's one-year compliance monitoring period, meeting all requirements, and returning to a fully normal listed company status. It's made significant progress in system development, financial management, and core strategies, including launching its second brand, Faraday X, and unveiling its dual flywheel and dual bridge eco-strategy. Faraday Future's founder and global co-CEO, YT demonstrated his commitment to the company by purchasing approximately $560,000 worth of shares under 10b5-1 plans, representing the after-tax portion of his $1.2 million signing bonus. This marks the third purchase in the past month, with YT investing his entire signing bonus back into the company. Faraday Future reiterated its intent to protect stockholder interests, upholding principles of no further reverse stock splits and prudent equity issuances. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.